This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how vitamin B12 is made. This essential nutrient is unique because it's not directly produced by plants or animals. Instead, tiny microorganisms, specifically certain bacteria and archaea, are the true manufacturers. They synthesize B12 through a fascinating and intricate biological process. Humans and animals then acquire B12, either by consuming these microbes directly or by eating animal products, where the animals have consumed the microbes. The microbial synthesis of vitamin B12 is a marvel of biochemistry. These tiny organisms employ a complex, multi-step enzymatic pathway to construct the large and intricate B12 molecule. A key element in this process is cobalt, a metal ion that becomes the central atom within the B12 structure. This entire biosynthetic route is incredibly detailed, requiring the coordinated action of more than 30 distinct enzymes to complete the synthesis. Given its importance, vitamin B12 is also produced industrially on a massive scale. This is primarily achieved through bacterial fermentation, mimicking nature's own process. Specialized bacterial strains, such as Propionibacterium freudenreichii, are cultivated in large bioreactors. These microbes efficiently synthesize B12, which is then harvested and purified. This industrial production ensures a steady supply for dietary supplements, fortified foods, and pharmaceutical applications, making it widely accessible. Vitamin B12 is absolutely essential for numerous bodily functions. It plays a critical role in maintaining healthy nerve cells, facilitating DNA synthesis, and ensuring the proper formation of red blood cells. Without adequate B12, individuals can experience serious health problems, including various forms of anemia and potentially irreversible neurological damage. So, ensuring sufficient intake is crucial for overall well-being. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.